Okay, boys and girls, here we are, Bobby's Hobbies. We're working on the 210-2 that had the seized mechanism, and we isolated it to the gear transmission, where old grease had become gunky and more glue-like than slippery and grease-like, and that prevented the motor from turning. We cleaned it out. We replaced it with this yummy red lithium. Do not eat it. And some of this Labelle 102 gear oil. And we have not lubed the wheel side rods. But let's see. Okay, that's beautiful. In reverse and forward. All right, very nice. I'll let that run now. We noticed some other issues here. There are cracks in the boiler. There is no light, and there is no front cover like there is on these others. Oh, the other Hippo has no cover. So we're probably going to have to fabricate that. Either, go to a train show, buy a piece. If you see, a piece from a locomotive, you could try to make a molding of one and then use various things to fill it up. And cast the molding with rubber. You cast it in clay. You could use various, I'm not sure what the mixture is, but it's like a two-part mixture, almost like an epoxy, but it becomes a plastic. They have some great stuff out there. I can't remember the manufacturer right now. But believe it or not, if you don't want to get too fancy, you could get wood putty. And that stuff dries like a rock and holds fine detail, and you paint it black and you'll never know. I'm going to have to figure something out, though. I maybe want to fabricate one and make it look decent, even though it may not be the actual original, as a temporary measure. So I'm glad this is working. I have a ton of Rivarossi light bulbs, so that's not really a problem. But running it without a front cover, and it would be kind of, look at the intricacy on that. I don't know if you can mold that too easily. Might be better to fabricate it. A couple of discs, concentric discs, and some details for rivets and stuff. Might be able to make a decent one. Maybe we could do that next. So I hope you're enjoying this, and imagine how well this will run if I clean it up, go with the tender and put a little bit of oil, just a teeny tiny bit, on these side rods. I don't even want to touch it right now. It's so pretty. You know what? It's running well, but it should use it. Maybe I'll try that now.